Jason Bowers. I'm the welding instructor at Laverne High School in Laverne, Tennessee.
I'm Ronan Garrison. I'm a student of his.
Okay, so first off,
11th grade.
Oh, 11th grade. Okay, that's good. First off, tell us a little bit about how this all came about.
This past summer, Northern Tool contacted me, and apparently they actually tried to contact me multiple times, but I did not know that it was for real. So we went back and forth a couple times, and then they finally contacted my principal, and my principal let me know it was a kind of a real deal, and then we kind of went from there.
Did you come up with what kind of projects you wanted to do? Did
All right,
Northern?
So Northern Tool had that already laid out. They already had in mind what we were building, and so and they kept it a close secret until the day of the reveal, when they revealed that we were building a flat track bike out of a 2024 Nightster, Harley Davidson Nightster.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. So, so did Northern supply you with all the parts that you need?
So yeah, they are. We're building some of the parts, fabricating or changing some of the parts on the bike, making new parts out of some of the parts on the bike, and then in general, our Harley donated the bike itself, and then we got Billy Lane that's also helping us with resourcing our parts.
How did they pick the students to be doing this in your school?
So I basically took my my top fabricating students, mostly they're juniors and seniors, and also too for me it was grades, attendance, behavior, that kind of thing, and we more or less narrowed it down to I think we're at 14.
So how many hours a week or a day do they work on the bike?
We have regular scheduled filming days with Northern Tool with their camera crew. And then we typically are doing something with the bike, probably 3 or 4 hours a week dedicated to the bike itself. And then like Billy Lane's been here twice in the last week, and then he'll be here tomorrow as well when we finally get the bike stood up on its wheels, on front forks and swing arm.
Are you on schedule?
We are. We were thinking we were going to get behind a little bit, and then Billy stepped up to make sure that we were staying on track with the fabrication of the frame and that sort. Just because it's with the flat track bikes, the geometry is apparently very, very important, and he's an expert in that. So we are leaning on him for that. So he's been here helping along with that.
Okay, so we'll move over there to the student, and he can tell us a little bit about what's this mean to you by doing this?
This really means a lot. I mean, not many kids can say they've been on a TV show or film and met so many legends like we have.
So is this something you might want to be in the motorcycle community or be in bike working on bikes and things like that?
Yes, sir. My grandpa, he used to ride Harley Davidsons, and he used to ride for charity events. So I mean, it might be something I'm willing to look into.
And they're always looking for good mechanics. I'll just tell you that off the bat. There's a lot of people nowadays that just don't want to do any real work. So it's good to find people that really want to get their hands dirty and do an honest day's work.
Are there any other projects going on, or is it all in this same school?
So this is the only build in the country that's happening. They pick one school a year to take on one of their challenge projects. We have school related projects going and industry certifications, that kind of thing. But as far as something like this, we don't know of any other that Northern Tool's involved with, or the other vendors and sponsors.
You get to do a field trip when it comes time for them to go out and actually run it on the track.
Yes, so it's tentatively scheduled to run on June 6th, I think it is, at Billy Lane's track in Hole in Wall, Tennessee. And we're going to have a pro racer race it in the expo class. So we are on an actual deadline for it to be finished by a specific date.
All the kids, do they get to put any input or ideas of how they'd like to fabricate, or they just relying solely on Billy Lane's expertise?
So the paint scheme is more or less up to them. We're going to be since it's 250-year anniversary of the United States, we're going to go red, white, and blue. They get a lot of influence on that. As far as parts go, they get, we will ask them. Billy and I will ask them, what do you think might need to happen here or there, and let them input as much as possible, unless it's something that has to be done a very specific way.
So are you guys doing pretty much everything? Are you guys building the motors up and things like that? Or are you more or less just building like the frame and putting it on?
So the Sportster nicer bike itself is the engine casing is more or less the frame. It only has a short subframe up at the top at the neck. So we're having to redesign that, and then from there we are, from what I understand, we're building a sub belly frame for our attachments of like the radiator and that kind of thing. But as far as the engine itself goes, it's going to run in stock form with a race exhaust.
Want to let everybody know about this project?
Just the opportunity from Northern Tool and from all the other sponsors, Bailey, Milwaukee, DeWalt, they've all donated equipment that we need, and it's going to better our program as a whole as a school.
Pretty cool. I think it's pretty exciting. That's why we actually got to talk to some of the groups when they had in Daytona a couple years ago. That some of the high schools were doing stuff. So then when they started doing this, I would have loved to have made it out to you guys, but for us, we're over here in Arizona, so it's
right.
It's
Well, maybe you can make your way down in June.
Yeah,
that would be cool.
Yeah, maybe we can get over there and because we know Billy too. We've done a lot of stuff with Billy in the past, so he's a really good guy.
Absolutely, very knowledgeable. He's taking the time to explain certain things to the kids, why he's doing it, what happens, that sort of thing.
That's good.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's always good to know why you're doing something.
Exactly. Yeah. A lot of times I'll still have to do the teaching moments of why and how while he's working or while he's working with a specific student. But at the same time, he's also taking that time and donating it. He's taking part with his time as well, away from his family.
Right. Pretty cool. All righty. Well, we want to thank you for taking this opportunity.
Yeah.